Your company is looking into SD-WAN to maybe replace your MPLS network or maybe optimize some applications, or for whatever reason you guys are looking at SD-WAN. Okay, one of the things that you want to take a look at is cloud application optimization. So what that means is the SD-WAN providers a lot of times will say they'll help optimize your company's cloud applications like Salesforce or your hosted VoIP service or AWS or Azure or any of those services that they'll say, hey, we can help optimize those. Well, you have to really understand what they mean by that, because SD-WAN solutions are going to be different on how they optimize. And think of it kind of like a tier 1 internet provider versus a tier 3 internet provider. Like a tier 1 internet provider, what makes them tier 1 is they privately peer with other internet providers, whereas a tier 3 internet provider does not pass traffic privately, they pass traffic at public peering points. What's the same thing when it comes to application optimization for SD-WAN service providers. Some SD-WAN service providers will say, oh yeah, we're absolutely optimized for Salesforce, but to them optimization is they're passing traffic to Salesforce in a public peering environment, as opposed to other SD-WAN vendors will privately peer. They've set up private peering arrangements where they're passing traffic to Salesforce and other cloud applications privately. So if the cloud application optimization is a big deal for you guys and you're trying to really reduce latency and packet loss with your cloud applications, you probably want to find an SD-WAN service provider that privately peers with the cloud application that you're trying to optimize, especially if it's a big cloud application like AWS or Azure or something like that. So that's just one of the things to think about with SD-WAN. There's a ton of other things to consider when you're looking at SD-WAN service providers, too many for this video, but if you want to know more, just call me or send me an email. I'm happy to talk about this stuff, listen to what your company is looking for, and give you my recommendations on which vendors you should quote for the best SD-WAN solution when there's 100 of them out there. So give me a call, send me an email. I'm happy to help. I hope this helps just a little bit.